Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable tankless water heaters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is EcoSmart ECO 18 Electric Tankless Water Heater. EcoSmart's wide range of tankless water heaters is popular among the entire market for being highly affordable and reliable options for residential use. Talking about the EcoSmart ECO 18 model, it's quite a durable and power-efficient option to choose as it saves up to 60% on your water heating costs, thanks to the advanced self-modulating technology which makes it only use the amount of energy that's needed. It's a perfectly ideal water heater for residential use as it delivers a max power output of 18 kilowatts. With such a powerful power output, it can deliver a continuous stream of hot water at a rate of 1.84.3 gallons per minute, depending on the temperature of the inlet water. Apart from that, the ECO 18 model works with 2x40 amp DP and 2x8 AWG wire gauge, and requires 75 amps power to work efficiently. Number 2. Our second best pick is EcoSmart ECO 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. As we said earlier, EcoSmart offers a wide range of tankless water heater options. You can consider choosing the ECO 11 water heater if you are looking for something highly affordable. Similar to the previous water heater we discussed, it's the cheapest option that you can choose from this entire list of tankless water heaters. The ECO 11 is one of the most reliable offerings from EcoSmart as its power consumption is pretty low, yet it delivers a max power output of 13 kilowatts, which is great. Despite being the cheapest water heater in the market, it is 99% thermal energy efficient and only uses the power when it's needed, thanks to the self-modulation technology. Since it's super small and compact in size, the installation is quite easy and you can do it on your own as well if you are skilled enough. Apart from that, due to its small design, the water flow rate it delivers lies in between 1.3 to 3.1 GPM, which is quite satisfactory. Number 3. Our third best pick is the Rinnai Indoor Tankless Hot Water Heater. In the category of gas tankless water heaters, you will definitely like the options offered by Rinnai as it's one of the top-tier brands, and highly popular among the market for making powerful and premium water heaters. The Rinnai V65 in water heater model has quite a compact design. It can be installed even in smaller rooms very easily. On top of that, since this gas water heater uses natural gas, it's going to save you a lot of money over time. Apart from that, it uses little to no amount of electricity as it consumes only 76 watts and 2 watts when on standby. If you are concerned about the safety features, this water heater boasts a gas leak detection feature that will automatically shut off this heater to avoid any accident from happening. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater. Stiebel Eltron is yet another well-reputed brand in the market that makes really high-quality electric water heater models, especially tankless ones. Speaking about its specifications, this water heater is capable of delivering a max power output of 14.4 kilowatts, which is decent enough to provide you with hot water on demand. Moreover, it works on a 240V supply and requires a minimum of 100 amperage to function properly. The water heater is extremely reliable and effectively heats up water for you, thanks to the interior solid copper heating system that handles the job pretty well, and doesn't even make much noise while operating. In fact, the heater is pretty compact and sleek and does not even require any venting, so the installation is quite simple. The best part about this water heater is that it can automatically control and reduce the flow of water if the demand exceeds the capacity to always maintain the temperature at a certain level. Moreover, the max water flow rate offered by this water heater is about 3 GPM, which is decent enough if you have a small family. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Rheem Electric Tankless Water Heater. Coming over to the next tankless water heater, this one is offered by Rheem, a brand that is highly rated among the market and has a good reputation for providing decent after-sales services. This tankless water heater option from Rheem comes in a pretty sleek and stylish design and features a digital thermostatic control with an LED display that helps you adjust the temperature with +/1 degree accuracy. Apart from that, it utilizes self-modulation technology. It can adjust power to maintain continuous flow of hot water. Moreover, the max power output delivered by this electric water heater is 18 kilowatts and uses 2 durable copper immersion heating elements to heat up water. With that said, it is capable of delivering hot water at a rate of 4.4 GPM, which is quite satisfactory as multiple users can enjoy hot water at the same time. Pros: has digital thermostatic control. Easy to install. Decent power output. Cons: takes time if the inlet water is too cold. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.